In this video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why really smart businesses are getting away from expensive pay-per-click advertising and focusing more on video marketing. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you, even if you know nothing about video marketing, you're a total beginner, you don't know any techie, anything, how you can get started with video marketing with our done-for-you video marketing services. We have several of them set up for different markets depending on what your needs are. So let's get into it. But before we do, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There you go. Just click the notification icon and let's go. The number one reason to go for video marketing is that video marketing is permanent. These videos, they stay up forever. Okay, now this is one of my clients, and we're building up one of his YouTube channels. We've set up a bunch of YouTube channels for him with, dozens and dozens of videos. And here we go. And you can take a look here at this one. It's been up a year, and it's got 32,000 views. And you can take a look in the thumbnail. It's got their phone number right in it. So people don't even have to see the video so that this customer gets called. Now, they do asbestos testing and mold testing. And it's a very high-end business. This guy even does it for all around Washington, D.C., for even the White House. But in any case, these videos stay up forever. We just put one up a month ago. It's got 7,000 views. And it's just going to keep growing and growing and growing. You see, with pay-per-click advertising, you're just renting the traffic, okay? You're just renting the traffic. As soon as you stop paying, bam, the traffic goes. But here, this just keeps growing organically, on and on and on. We've got all these videos, like little seeds that we've planted that just grow on the internet, and it just gets better and better with time. So these videos are permanent. Reason number 2 that people are deciding to go with video marketing over pay-per-click advertising is that, pay-per-click, that's a big deal, okay? I mean, in the personal injury lawyer niche, they're paying like $200, $300, $400, $500 per click, and there's no guarantee that that lead is going to be any good. There are huge fees being paid. Now, not every niche is that expensive, but $100 a click, $50 a click, $20 a click, it really adds up. It can be very, very expensive. Here you can see we're working with a mental health care clinic. Okay, we're set up the YouTube channel for them. We're building it up. They got like 4,000 subscribers, almost 5,000. It's growing, thousands every single month. We're pushing their videos here. This video's been up a year, 54,000 views. This video's been up a year, 41,000, 40,000, 32,000 views. Okay, people can see these videos, click on these videos, click on the links in the videos, all they want. And my friend here at DPS Health and Wellness, he doesn't pay anything. Okay, so it's permanent. Plus, he doesn't pay any pay-per-click charges. I can go share this video. I can post it on Facebook. I can do whatever. And he is not being charged anymore. So he's got permanent traffic, and he's got traffic that he doesn't pay those pay-per-click charges for. That's a huge deal. The third reason that people are going for video marketing is that video marketing builds authority. And why is that so important? It's important because you see these videos that we're doing here for the mental health care clinic. What we're doing is we're answering frequently asked questions. We're helping solve people's problems. So with our local clients, that's what we do. We do research the most frequently asked questions in the industry, and we answer them. And then for local clients, we geolocalize it so that people in those areas will find it. And we're solving people's problems. We're not coming out here with a straight sales pitch, right? So when you've been solving people's problems with all these videos, with all these thousands of views, you get authority in your specific area. And the people might not come to you right away, but if they've been researching these topics, and everyone looks up topics online that they need answers to all the time, especially YouTube, Who are they going to call? They're going to call the person they trust. They're going to call the person who's been giving them answers, who has this incredible presence online with all these videos answering all their questions. They're going to feel like they know you already. So the lead you get is a much higher quality lead, because all these videos that are permanent, where you're not being charged pay-per-click advertising cost, they are developing authority and credibility in your niche that you can't get in an advertisement. When you click on an advertisement, you know it's an advertisement. Okay. When you click on these videos, we're answering your questions. We're solving your problems. That's what we seek to do with these videos. And then, of course, there's a link there to go to the website if you need more help. If you want, in this case, if you want personal counseling, whatever you need in the mental health field, they will provide for them. But first of all, we're solving problems and helping people. And that gives you incredible credibility. The next reason number 4, is that videos are fantastic for SEO. If you want to get found in the search engines, go with videos. I mean, YouTube is the number 2 search engine after Google and is owned by Google. So if you get listed in YouTube, very likely you're going to get listed in Google as well. It's going to help boost your Google rankings. But people are going directly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all these other sites to search for what they're looking for. This is a search engine, YouTube. Now here we have my customer who is a mold tester in Maryland, specifically Chevy Chase, Maryland. Now, if you're going to come on the YouTube search engine and search for a mold tester in Chevy Chase, Maryland, look what you find. Every single video here is my customer's video and has their phone number in it. I mean, every single one. I can't even find a video from his competitor. We completely dominate the search engine listings for mold testing Chevy Chase, Maryland. And by the way, for a lot of other cities and a lot of other terms as well. But you get to completely dominate. So when people are going to look for your specific industry in your specific niche, if you do it right and you put out lots of really high quality videos, they're going to find you, right? And you're going to dominate your competition. I know, I did it for them. So this is very powerful. Again, they're permanent. You don't pay pay-per-click charges. It gives you a lot of credibility, and you get found when people are searching for your terms. Mold, if they're in Chevy Chase, Maryland, and they type in mold testing near me, this is what they're going to get. Okay. And how would you like it for if you have a local business, no matter what it is, if you're a personal injury attorney or DUI attorney, whatever, and you're in Austin, Texas, how would you like it that every time someone went on YouTube that they typed in DUI attorney, Austin, Texas, all the people saw were your videos? Well, we can do that with you with our services, as we've done here for this mold testing company. And I'm going to show you that in a little bit. As a matter of fact, comment video marketing in the comments below, and I'll send you the links to our video marketing services that can help you get going, whether you're a beginner or an expert and you just don't have time to do all the work yourself. Comment video marketing. I'll send you those links right away. Reason number 5 is that videos can be put everywhere. People are not just looking at Google. All right. They're looking on Facebook. They're looking on Instagram. They're looking on TikTok. I know people who just use TikTok and they don't use Google at all. They're searching for your businesses on all these platforms. So videos are perfect for this. Here's a Facebook page we set up for our mental health care clinic, and we've got YouTube videos here. We have videos that we've uploaded to them, reels, so they can be purposed into reels for both TikTok and Instagram. Okay, giving you extra exposure. And we just upload them here. You see all these posts that he has. These are reels up here, giving you extra exposure where you need to be, because people aren't just looking on Google anymore. I'll show you why. You see, here I am on Google looking for mental health care, Statesboro, Georgia. That was my client from before. And so we come down here, look at these listings. These are all paid listings. They don't look like paid listings. They don't say advertising, but they're all paid listings. So have you noticed when you go to Google, like the first ones, listings really aren't that close to what you want? Okay. So these are all paid listings at the beginning. You got to scroll down and down and down. Okay, now this is getting to be a natural listing. This is my client here. Okay. But a lot of them are paid listings. And so people are looking, coming over to the short videos. They're coming to the videos section. Okay. They're looking in the video sections all up and down here. These are all my clients' videos here. So they're looking everywhere. So you need to be everywhere, and video marketing can help you be everywhere. Now, we have several services for video marketing. Now, this one, again, comment video marketing, and I'll send you the link to both of these. This one is for people who just want a one-off system. They want us to set up a YouTube channel for them, set up a video for them, and then they're going to take the ball and run with it after that. It's just to get you started. We could even just make a video for you if you already have your YouTube channel, and I just send you a YouTube video. But like if you get the ultimate package here, we're going to create a video for you and the YouTube channel and optimize the YouTube channel to really get you started, because you really have to have your own YouTube channel. So this particular one is a done-for-you service. You just give us your website. We can create a video based on your website. You don't have to figure out all kinds of copy, though. If you have copy and you want to send it to us, that's great. As much as you have, we'll take it. But we're creative. We'll come up with a video for your YouTube channel. We'll come up with a theme for your YouTube channel. We'll just basically set it up for you, get it going. See, we've done this for lawyers, venture capitals, all different types of businesses. So I'll put the link for that below. Now we have another service, and this is more for local marketers. This is our site, toprankedvideo.com. Now put the link again below, comment video marketing. I'll send this to you. And what you have here is a monthly service where we create videos every month nonstop. And if you have a local business, eventually you're going to be like our mold tester, where you completely dominate the search engine listings all over YouTube and Google and TikTok and Instagram for your niche. And it's a building process. We SEO optimize everything. We put your videos everywhere. Okay. And we create really good videos, and we SEO optimize them. We also do take your 5-star reviews. We put them in video format. So people are going to look for your reviews, like we did for this restaurant here. They look here, and we've got all the reviews for this restaurant here in a video. People are going to look up this restaurant and look at all the fantastic customer reviews. It gets found in the search engines. When people are looking up the restaurant, they say, hey, we got to go here. It's absolutely delicious. Look at all this. Makes me want to go there right now. So we'll do the same for you here. We took the reviews for the mold testing company. We put them in video format, put it up. This can cover up if you have any bad reviews as well. So we answer frequently asked questions. We SEO optimize. So when people are looking for your niche, for your business in your area, they're going to find, your business near me. They're going to find your videos all over the place. And I showed you examples of that. And I have more on this site as well. So that is a monthly service, more for local businesses. If you're serious about getting out of pay-per-click advertising and want to develop an entire presence online, and you have a local business, this is definitely the way to go. It's extremely effective. So if you found this helpful, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about these services, click the link in the descriptions below and or comment video marketing below, and I will send you these links. Thank you so much. This is Matthew May with QuickRegisterSEO.com and TopRankedVideo.com.